Welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how to block someone from seeing your story. So for this, I am here on my phone screen and let's open the Instagram app here. Now swipe right and let's add a story so I can show you how you can block someone. Okay, so now here you see this option, close friends. So once you click, your story will be shared to the one whom you want to share. To edit this, open your story again and here click on this star and here it will ask you to edit your close friend list. So simply click on it and from there you can select the person you want to show your story and deselect the one whom you don't want to see them. So in this way you can block people from seeing your story on Instagram. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, comment down below and subscribe to Cyber Learning. Thank you. Bye.